Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today I am going to introduce a very unique way to find topical past papers, general past papers, quizzes related to O levels, A levels, IGCSE, GCSE, AQA board. This platform is known as Cognito, the complete solution for science and maths. So let's see how it works. It has over 400 video lessons for maths and science subjects and very good and unique feature of progress tracking, which can help you to identify your strengths and weaknesses. First of all, we need to sign up and click create account, and this is the interface for biology, chemistry, physics and maths. If you are a teacher or student, you can select your daily goal. I'm selecting it 500 XP, let's say. Let me select physics. Let me select GCSE, and you can see here there are a lot of boards available, including AQA, CIE, EdXL and so on. So I'm selecting EdXL IGCSE and I'm selecting triple science. So you can update your preference according to your requirements. Click update here. Wow, you can see here it is already divided into all the topics which are required for your curriculum. This is amazing. So I'm going to select one. Let's say I'm going to select acceleration. So you can see here there is a video lesson. You can watch this video. So after watching the video, you can start a small test. For example, the acceleration is the rate of change in velocity. Let's submit. You can see here it will give you a mark. Similarly, you can also select is what is the negative acceleration. Let me select. So if you made a mistake, you can click here to reveal all the steps, what mistakes you have made. This is really awesome. And you can avail a similar question. When you finish, you can save and you can review your progress. And similarly, you can move to the next lesson. Similarly, you can choose exam style question by topic. For example, magnetism. I select loudspeakers. You can see here, these are the exam style questions. Similarly, you can also search the exam papers by topic. You can see here the topics are given and the mark scheme and paper is already given. This is really very useful. It's so organized, so easy to avail. You can check your progress. Finally, past papers. There is a huge bank of past papers available with mark scheme. It is really very user-friendly and amazingly organized for practicing questions and check the progress. So in free accounts, you can use lessons, exam papers and progress tracking. So you can try this. It's really amazing, which will help you to prepare for your exam if you are a student and help you to prepare your students if you are a teacher. Please try this platform and share your experience in the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.